What's going on, guys? Show 3x4 here, bringing you yet another vlog. Today is one of the first and the nicest day of the year so far. It's April 23rd and it's 80 degrees out, which in Michigan, that used to be a normal, and then this year it's kind of gone from 60 to 40, and it snowed one day and it was random and stupid. But this is the first opening track day of the year, and it's a beautiful day out, so I'm super excited. Great day to run 12s. So again, if you guys don't know, this is my 2012 Ram 1500 Hemi. It's cammed, slammed, still four-wheel drive, got a 3600 stall in it. It's got an FRP, tuned by FRP, got an FRP Tomahawk 228, 238. And so far my best has been a 13.4. We've done a couple adjustments, got a couple tune revisions, which if you guys didn't see the last video, make sure you go check it out. I explain a lot of it there. Got some tune revisions, different tire sizes, and hopefully better gas than last year. So I'm super excited. We're just getting everything loaded up. Ryan should be here shortly, and we're gonna head to the track. Alright guys, we made it to the track. Gorgeous day out. Not too busy, but still enough people here. And so we're gonna start prepping the truck, get everything out of it. Pull the tailgate, pull the rear seat, throw the 17s on, get it ready. Alright, we let this thing, oh, wow. Let this thing cool down a little bit. And now we're in the staging lanes. It's first day of opening, like the track of the year, so they got a little kinks, but we're gonna make the first pass on the street setup with the converter lockup, and then after I make maybe a pass or two on this one, I will then I'll upload the track only tune and see the difference. But this first one's gonna be just street one with the converter lockup. All right, lady, here you go. So I forgot to press record on the camera, or on the data logger. So that was stupid. Not a good pass though. I don't know where the heck the sheet went. It might have blown away. Oh no, I put it down here.
It wasn't anything memorable.
I want to see what I 60 footed. 1.9.
That's terrible.
Yeah.
Wasn't it like 1.7 last time? 1.8?
1.80 is my best.
Yeah, that's, what was it, 1.95?
No, 1.90.
Oh.
So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do this tune one more time, and I'll make sure to record it, and then we'll just upload the new one. Send that. So cut a good light, but unfortunately that doesn't do anything for you. even slower. My intake temps are cranking, so we did pull the filter out to see if we can get some more cooler air through and not heat soak the filter. Converter, he was looking at the log, converter was locking, so it was doing what it's supposed to. I was hoping that this new setup wouldn't let me shift into fourth, but it still is having me shift into fourth, and fourth is a dead gear, so that's a problem. We're just gonna say screw it with this street tune, and we're gonna throw you threw the new one in? All right, so we threw the track tune in. So I don't know, this kind of sucks. Getting some good mile an hour, we're getting almost 100 mile an hour, so these tires are helping out.
That last pass, that slowed down a whole mile an hour.
Yeah, my intake temps are cranking. I start at like 135, and then by the end of the run, it's at like 117 or something.
Your intake temps?
Yeah.
It was at 106 by the end of it.
That was probably down there. It probably kept cooling down, but I finished the line at like 117, I thought.
No, it finished the line at like 106.
Really?
We're looking at trans.
Huh? Yeah.
That one.
So now we're gonna chill for a minute and grill some brats. All right, we got some lunch in us. We let the truck cool down. We threw the other tune in it, the race tune in it. They're not running right now. Something either must have happened or they're reprepping it, so we're gonna go get in line. All right, we're getting up there. Gonna send it. Hopefully, I at least want to do better than a 13.4 today.
That'd be nice.
That would be really nice. This tune should get me there. I really hope so.
Because didn't it have like 4 or 5 more degrees?
Yeah, stock is like 18 or something degrees of timing. This one's got like 22, 23, so should be a good one.
I'm gonna get out now.
Well, change of plans. Like 3 cars in front of me oiled down the whole track, so we're gonna be sitting here a while. Okay, so that one was at least better. Finally hit 100 mile an hour through the trap. 13.4 or 13.3. 60 foot still what it always is, 187. I hit a 180 once in this thing when it was just stalled, and that was it. So it was better. That tune did something, so that's good. But one of my biggest problems, oop, I just crushed that up. One of my biggest problems is the truck shifts into fourth, and that's not good. It's dead in fourth. So I don't know, I'm gonna talk to him. We're gonna send it again. I'm gonna talk to him, see if there's a way to maybe hold second or third a little longer. That way, if it has to go into fourth, they can do it less, I don't know. Because it's in fourth, it's past 1,000 feet now. It's not in fourth as long as it used to be with the 28s, but still too much. Yeah. So 13.3, we're gonna send it again here. Go ahead, lady. Well guys, as you can tell, track day didn't go exactly as planned. I did learn that I didn't have bad gas last year. It was just simply not capable of 12s yet. I actually haven't talked to Ryan at FRP yet about logs. I sent him the logs for him to look at and review and stuff like that, and I haven't heard back from him yet, which is fine. I'm not in any hurry. But I know for a fact that my intake temps are way too high, which, you know, sitting in the staging lanes is common. You're gonna be sitting there, and if you have to keep moving up every minute or so, it's not worthwhile to shut the truck off, turn it back on, shut it off, turn it back on. It's not gonna help you at all. So sitting in the lanes for 15 minutes heat soaks the motor a lot. Ryan, my buddy Ryan, did say that he noticed timing being pulled because it looked like the intake temps were too high. I'm gonna kind of confirm that with Ryan at FRP and stuff like that, and get his thought on it. But that's kind of my thought, is my intake temps are a little too high. I feel like with when we uploaded the track tune, that was when I did my 13.3, and I also had like 105 intake temps instead of 140, and that was when I ran my 13.3. So I'm really thinking that this tune, if I could have got the temps down even lower to like as close to outside as possible, I'm really thinking I could have got not 12s, but closer, maybe even a 13.2 or something like that. But it is what it is. I know I just need to go ahead and get the 6.4 intake. Even Ryan said like a ported 6.4 intake off a truck can do like 30 over horse. So it's definitely worth it, and it'll benefit the cam a lot. So that's the next move whenever I can figure out when I'm going to get that. But yeah, track day didn't go as planned. Still got a new PR. Didn't go as planned. That's just how stuff goes. So stay tuned. This summer we're going to go to track a bunch. You know, not only with my truck, but Ryan's truck. And I got another project for you that we actually just got done. It's not mine, but I recorded it. We just built a whole new motor for a truck. So I'll show you guys that. And I've got a video to show you on Ryan's truck. And we're doing some stuff to my wife's car. So I got content for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Same name, Show Off 3.4. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.